I think these are interesting switches because I've dampened the spring so heavily with grease and PTFE powder to make sure that there's substance on it to keep it from pinging or ringing. But I've also done the same with the flooring grease on the back side of the leaf, all across the leaf. I found out that doing it just in the middle wasn't enough, that sometimes the ends that touch the stem would ring, so I added some of the backside there and the ringing went away. So this keyboard's really interesting. I think you'll find, since it's been treated like this to eliminate all ringing, and also it has films to eliminate play in the switch tops, you should hear less extraneous sounds from these keys than usual. So I'm gonna see if I take a recording from really close, if we can hear the minute details that really show off what's special about this kind of a loop job. Let's see if we can detect the differences here by having the microphone very close. I'll have to listen to that to see if I can tell.